All right, so some of the hoses for the AC system are preformed. Yeah, that's no es bueno, because that acts like it's too long. Now, this is mounted as the instructions have stated is to be mounted. So, I'm going to spin this baby 180 degrees and get this fitting over to here and see if it makes our hose a little bit better. So, we're going to do that now. All right, so no matter what way I turn the compressor, it kinks that hose. I mean, if the compressor was way the fuck out here, it'd be fine. So, I'll pull that off, and I go take it over to the hose guy, and I'm going to have him take 2 inches out of it, 2.5. So, before I do that, I'm going to mock up the rest of them, see what else we got to cut, and go from there. So, it's been a bit of a battle. I've turned the compressor around a few different times. The suction side hose, low side charge hose, it's about 3 inches too long, because if you hook it up back here, it kinks. The other high side hose here, it also is too long. All right, high side line, it's also too long, as you can see. Probably about 3 inches long, longer than it needs to be. So this has to go into here. I'm actually going to turn this around 180 degrees. Try that again. So I got to get both these hoses shortened. The hose for the dryer, which will go back here, is good. You can see right there, the dryer's going to go right there. It's good to go. So that's good. I was actually I trimmed the core support here, and I just kind of bent it in to mock up. So I'm going to cut right here. Get this piece out of here. But everything is on where it needs to be. So I was able to take the ones in the kit that didn't fit anything and made them fit. And they're routed where they're supposed to be routed, and everything there is peachy. So I've got 2 lines I need to shorten. So I'll take those over to our buddy, that hose guy, tomorrow morning. See, I need probably about 3 inches out of that. And about 3 inches out of this, too. So they both need to be shortened about 3 inches. And then they'll be good to go. So we're getting there. Our AC lines are now mocked. We know where they're supposed to go. So got everything figured out there. Here's the dryer, which I need to do the bracket and all that, but I'm going to do that right when we do everything else. Then I can finish up all of our wiring here on the passenger side, and we can start on our ducts. That will be our next little round of fun, little duct work. But everything behind the dash is good, so that part's finished. So we just need to hook up a few things for our AC, get it situated, waiting on our little center cluster. We had to buy one off of eBay because we're missing some bits and pieces for inside there. So that's done. Everything up here in the cooling system has been done. I do need to do a little more wiring on the fan controller, but we're getting there.